happy Monday or whatever day it is that you are watching this video. I hope that your week is off to an amazing start. You guys, in this video I am teaming up with some friends to bring you a collaboration on fall tablescape ideas. So you are in for a treat. Stay tuned.
Welcome to My Happy Home, where I bring you DIYs, hauls, home decor, thrifting and much more on a budget. If you're interested in these types of videos, then please like, comment and subscribe.
Hi friends, and welcome back to My Happy Home. As you could have seen by the title of this video, I am participating in a collaboration. My friend Heidi over at Happily Thriving Heidi has invited some of her YouTube friends for a collaboration to bring you some ideas on how to decorate your fall tablescape for this season. So if you are stuck on any ideas for Halloween, Thanksgiving or just your regular fall tablescape, then this is the video for you. So make sure that after you've watched this video, you go over to the playlist linked below and check out all the other beautiful participants in this collaboration. So in this collaboration, I am bringing you some ideas how to decorate your fall tablescape. I've done not one, not two, but 3 tablescapes, you guys. Yes, so I hope I can be of some inspiration to you. So without any further ado, let's jump into this video.
Now for the first tablescape, I wanted to go with a mixture of the traditional fall colors, some neutrals and some rustic elements. And I even decided to involve my chandelier in this tablescape, and I hung up some fall garlands to give it that extra whimsical look. And I decided to go with a centerpiece that was a floral arrangement and just scattered some pumpkins all around it. Up close you can really see the rustic elements, the dark brown charger, the wooden serving board that holds my flatware with the wooden handles, and of course this light wooden napkin ring. In this tablescape I really wanted the fall hues to come to life. You can see them in the pumpkins that I placed on each plate setting, the candles, the orange candles, and of course in my floral arrangements, and all the leaves that I scattered around the table. And I'm really loving that. And what I tried to do is not to make it too dark, so I did add some lighter elements like those white flowers and of course the white plates and placemats and my white napkins. So if you are into the more traditional fall colors like myself, then you can see that just by adding some of those fall colors, some leaves and some natural elements, that you can easily create a fall inspired tablescape. And what I really love about this tablescape is that it brings all those elements together that can really give it that fall vibe. And now moving on to the next tablescape. And since I am a more of a fall traditional color type of girl, I don't really do glam fall decor. I wanted to see if I was able to pull off a fall or a simple fall glam tablescape, just to give you an idea that you can still try to do a glam tablescape even if it's not really your thing. And to me it was a challenge because I don't have any glam pumpkins and I didn't want to glam up my pumpkins, so I added these silver acorns, pine cones and artichokes to glam it up a bit. And this fabric pumpkin that I had, you can still see the burlap because I will remove this. I did add some bling wrap to it just to glam it up a little bit. So as you can see, you can still do a glam tablescape without actually having glam fall items. For this tablescape, I am using my gold flatware, and you guys, to be honest, I just do not have a lot of entertaining stuff. I just don't have the room for all of that. So I am usually mixing and matching what I have. And my tableware, I might have used these in previous tablescape before. If I did, I will link that in the iCard up here or in the description box below. And I'm still loving these, you guys. The second plate with the thin gold rim was a gift from my mom, but all the other plates were a thrift find, and they are so pretty. And also gifted by my mom were these stemware, these gold polka dot stemware. Now just like that, I was able to create a beautiful, elegant and glam fall tablescape by mixing and matching items that I already had. For the third and final tablescape, I want to share with you a more of a modern farmhouse styled tablescape. Some simple white tableware is just a must-have, you guys. You can really switch them out, mix and match them, use them throughout the year or for each season. In my case, I am on a budget, so I thrifted mine, but I can really recommend investing in a good set so you can really easily create the tablescape that you like. I folded my napkins in a pocket shape to hold my flatware, and the camera is not really picking it up, but I added some white lace and some jute twine made into a bow. I've also added some silver candle holders, and in the candle holders I placed some silver taper candles to give it more of the elegant look. And you know I like to layer, so I'm just using some silver placemats, then my charger plates, some regular creamy plates and a soup plate. And I decided to go with some kitchen towels between the plates to give it more of the farmhouse look. And on top of each plate I placed a silver napkin ring and a small pine cone. For my centerpiece I used a galvanized tray and filled it up with some pumpkins and 2 candle holders. And of course I think eucalyptus stems and lamb's ear are a must-have in a farmhouse decor, so of course I added those as well. And here is the same pumpkin I used in my glam tablescape. I just removed all the glam wrap and it's just a basic pumpkin again.
Well friends, that's it for this video. I hope that you have enjoyed this and that I could have been of some inspiration to you on how to decorate your tablescape for the fall season. I want to take this time to thank Heidi for putting this collaboration together. Thank you girl for putting in the effort. I really enjoyed joining you on this collaboration. So if you're new and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would totally love it if you would consider doing so and become a resident of my happy home. So for now, before I go, of course, I want to thank all the other participants that have joined me on this collaboration. Girls, thank you so much, and I cannot wait to see all your videos. And make sure you go to the playlist and check out all the other participants in this collaboration as well. So yeah, For now, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again in my next video really soon. Until then, remember to always live, laugh and love. Bye guys!